Justin Miller with Beach City Brokers, and today we're going to tour a 2005 built 3-bedroom, 2-bath. 1453 West 1st Street in San Pedro. I think you're going to like it. Come on in. One of my favorite things about this house is the open floor plan. The kitchen's open to the living room, open to the dining room. It's perfect for entertaining. There's so much that this house has to offer. So this home is truly turnkey. It has air conditioning, tankless water heater, a detached 2-car garage. You also pick up some views of Palos Verdes, and you have great sunsets off the back of the property in the evenings. That's my tour for today. Thanks for joining me, and I hope to see you soon.